guys, so this is it, guys. So yes guys, I am going to bless this meal and give it a test. Hi guys, welcome to Mama J's channel. How you all doing today? Hope you guys having a fabulous and a wonderful day. So guys, welcome to Mama J's channel. So guys, I thank you for all the subscriber, all my new subscriber, welcome. Thank you. My day one subscriber, we are continue going. So guys, so here I have my chicken right here. So I'm going to do a barbecue chicken today in the oven. So guys, so here is the chicken. So guys, I already washed my chicken with vinegar and water. So right here guys, I have legs and thighs. So guys, so I leave back one of my drumstick. So right here guys, that always have the little feathers and the little yellow thing here. So guys, I have some hot water right here. So guys, you know, when we are always back home to strip the chicken foot, we use the hot water. So guys, so most of the chicken here always have the little yellow thing right down at the drumstick. So guys, so I just put it in the hot water and then I just strip it, peel it off with the knife, guys. Yes guys, so that's what I did, and I said I'm going to share it with you guys and pick off the little feathers that is on it. So see guys, it's nice and clean. So guys, I did already washed it already, so I'm already set off again. So yes guys, so now I'm going to get into the seasoning. So guys, I will be using a tablespoon of seasoning in this chicken right here. So I didn't want to put them into a little container. So we're just going to use our judgment here. And after I season them, then I'm going to transfer them into the bowl. So guys, so this is the black pepper, a tablespoon black pepper, tablespoon complete seasoning, tablespoon paprika, so yes guys, so you know the oils are a little small here, so we still have to ensure that we season the meat properly. And right here I have my Sister Maggie. So this is the chicken Sister Maggie right here. So guys, I'll be using a table and a half. It's Sister Maggie. And this is my onion powder. Tablespoon. And this is combo seasoning. This is a tablespoon into it guys, so I'm gonna just use all of this. This is finished. And this is my smoked garlic, guys. I'll give it a little smoky taste. Yes guys, so and now we're going to the onion powder. Tablespoon guys. And this is another Maggi seasoning guys. This Maggi seasoning, it's have a lot of sodium, so that's one of the reasons why I'm not using any salt into this guys. So this have a lot of sodium. And over here I have the all-purpose Maggi. So yes guys, so I use about 1.5 tablespoons of Sister Maggi all-purpose. And right here I have some blending green seasoning. I'm gonna use some in it also. So guys, I have a video of my blending seasoning. You can check it out too. So I use 3 tablespoons. And right here guys, I have my Walker's Wood jerk seasoning. Give me a minute guys, I'm gonna rinse this spoon out. So guys, over here I am using 2 tablespoons of jerk seasoning. I'm gonna use 3. I'm gonna use 3 guys. It's a lot of chicken. Bye later. These guys is trying to mess up my video guys. So yes guys, so I'm going to get into the seasoning. To put the seasoning into the chicken, give it a nice massage. So yes guys, so I punch some oil into the chicken also. Yes guys, so putting on the camera a little bit more so you guys can see. Yes guys, so I'm giving this a nice massage. We have to put our hands in it guys to get it well seasoned properly. Don't be afraid. That's why I use this, the flat surface, as I can rub the seasoning into the meat properly. So yes guys, so just ensure that you drain off the chicken properly to get off most of the water as you can, because we know our chickens spring a lot of water. So guys, I am going to let this soak for an hour. and then I will be back to put it into the oven. So I'm gonna put it in this bowl, guys. Yes. Got this finger licking chicken. Don't jump out the bowl. Give yourself. Yes, guys, so I'm gonna let this soak here. Still have some season here. Just scrape it up and put it on the chicken. Nothing not wasting here, guys. I'm going to use this same pan here, guys, to bake the chicken. So I'm gonna cover this up, and guys, when I'm ready to put it in the oven, I will be right back. So stay tuned, guys. Hi guys, here I am back with my barbecue chicken. It's going into the oven now, guys. So I put the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's already preheated. So guys, I use this non-stick olive oil to spray on the baking pan, and I sprinkle some thyme leaf on the chicken also, guys. So guys, I am going over by the oven. So guys, put this in the oven for 30 minutes, and I will be right back. And then I am going to put it back in the oven after the 30 minutes for another 20 minutes, because I'm going to flip both sides. And then guys, I will be right back. So just stay tuned, guys. Hi guys, here I am back with my barbecue chicken. So guys, I just remove it from the oven to turn them over. So this is how it's look on the first side. And guys, I throw off the juice water from it. So guys, I'm not going to throw away this water. I am going to use this water also to make the sauce. So guys, I am going to flip them over. So yes guys, so I am going to give them another 30 minutes, guys. I did say 20, but I'm gonna give it 30 minutes. So yes guys, so just putting them on the other side. Because we want to ensure that we have both sides cooked, guys. So turning them over as they can have equal cooking on the same side and equal color. So yes guys, so I am going to put it back. And then I will be right back. clean. Let me rinse it up. So yes guys, I'm going to put on back my hand gloves and go back over by the oven. So guys, just stay tuned. I will be back. Hi guys, here I am back with my honey barbecue chicken. So yes guys, so I just removed it from the oven. So I give it half an hour. So guys, so this is how it looks. Yes guys, this is my chicken. So guys, so I use this sweet honey barbecue sauce. So guys, and I use a 1/4 cup of honey into it to also guys to give it that natural taste of honey. So guys, so remember I told you I was going to use the water that's from the meat that's cooked. So guys, that did all have that lovely nice seasoning and everything. So guys, I poured the barbecue sauce and the honey in this bowl. So guys, I didn't have to add any more seasoning into this because it's well have a nice taste. So now guys, I am going to put my chicken in the barbecue sauce and put it back in the oven. So guys, so this is how I am doing it. So yes guys, the meat is cooked soft and nice. So yes guys, I am going to put it back in the oven for another 10 minutes unboiled. Yes guys, and then I am going to cook. Put the rest of barbecue sauce on the stove to let it cook. So I'm gonna cook it for 10 minutes also. So yes guys, so this is how I am doing it. So guys, I will be right back when I'm finished coating everything. Hi guys, I am finished coating the chicken with the barbecue sauce. So guys, so now I am going to put them into the oven. So guys, so just stay tuned until I will be back. So guys, I am going to put it on boil for between 5 to 10 minutes. So yes guys, maybe I have to do 5 on one side and 5 on the other side. So guys, so just stay tuned. Hi guys, here I am back. I just take it from the oven. So guys, so here is my honey barbecue chicken. Yes guys, look at it. Yes guys, so guys, I am going to come back with my presentation. So I will be right back. So stay tuned. Hi guys, here I am back with my presentation. So guys, I am finished with my honey barbecue chicken. So guys, so here it is. I am having it with rice and peas and broccoli and mixed vegetable and sweet plantain. So guys, so here I am giving it a 360 turn. Yes guys, so take a good look at it. Yes guys. Yes guys, so this is it guys. So yes guys, I am going to bless this meal and give it a test for you guys. So, Heavenly Father, we thanking you for another day. We give you the glory and the honor. Father God, we thanking you to prepare this meal before me, dear Lord. Father God, bless those who don't have anything to eat, dear Lord. Fill them with your spirit. Father God, let this meal be a substance to our body, dear Lord. Father God, I'm asking you, dear Lord, to continue to prepare food on our table, food, shelter, dear Lord. Father God, we ask you for your blessed prepare food for others, dear Lord. Cannot find anything to eat, dear Lord. Father God, we ask you, dear Lord, to cover our family near and far, cover our kids, them, dear Lord. Cover them under your blood, dear Lord. Father God, cover each and every one on this channel. Cover the kids also, dear Lord. Father God, we ask you to cover each and every subscriber on this channel, Lord. Father God, we ask you for your blessing over our life. We give you thanks, we give you praise in Jesus' name. Amen. So yes, guys, so here am I going to start from now. The chicken. So yes, guys, so here am I going to give this chicken a test. So yes, guys, it's all soft and nice. Guys, the sauce is really, really good. It's really nice, guys. Got some of the mixed vegetables. Some of the plantain. Guys, this is really, really good. Guys, you can always use my seasoning, the kind of seasoning what I use, and try it. You can use your seasoning if you want. As I'm telling you, this is so delicious. So guys, I thank you very much for all my new subscribers, all my subscribers from day one. Thank you guys. Thank you for the love. So guys, just please to continue to share the video, like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend, guys. And we're on a road to 1,000 subscribers. So guys, God bless you all, and you all have a nice, wonderful day, and you take care. I'm out.